welcome to my channel. Today we've got an RM250J 1988. Bought this off Facebook for 350 quid. The bike came as it sits with the engine and exhaust. Things that we need to do to the bike, we had a look over it, we have to do a few things. Rear wheel bearings are gone, so we need to replace those. Training sprockets are good, tyres are no good, so got another set of part-worn tyres to go on there. I got those for £30 off Facebook. That's what was left of the rear mudguard. So again, just another one on eBay. I think it was £11 to do that. Front shocks seem all good, no oil leaks on those. Brakes seem to work alright, although the rear caliper is a bit sticky, so we're going to sort that. The exhaust was all solid. I got tempted with that one and shoved it in the shot blasting cabinet. So I've already shot blasted that because it was a bit rusty to start with, and put that in some heat-proof black paint. So the engine came with the bike. Don't know anything about the engine really, unfortunately, although it's got good compression and the gears select. So we're going to strip down and rebuild that before it goes back in. I did drain the gearbox oil out and it was a little bit creamy, so I presume until we strip it down we'll find out that the water pump seal might be on its way out. So I've got a new full gasket set, crankcase, head gasket, a lot there. That was on eBay, it was about 18 quid. Water pump seal, genuine Suzuki one, that's 4 quid. And rear wheel bearings, also got them, they were 12 quid, and they've got the little dust seal on them as well. Also, I'm going to shove the engine parts in the bead blasting cabinet, bead blast all the blue off the engine, because it's all a bit manky as you can see, and I bought some VHT blue heat-proof paint so we can repaint the engine, because originally these engines were blue. So yeah, what we're going to do is, the first video will be putting the tyres on, rear wheel bearings, hand grips as well, got some hand grips to go on, new ones. We'll do those, get that side of it done, and then the second video will be rebuilding this motor, installing it with the exhaust, and then a startup as well, see how it goes. So hopefully over the next week that'll be done, we'll post the videos. So keep watching and take care.